Well, within my industry, which is firearms training industry, of course we're a manufacturing company, but we do a lot of direct sales. It's highly relevant to understand the nature of who purchased and who did not. If you have any kind of collection system, which really isn't that hard to eliminate. We're a small company, less than 30 employees, and yet we can acquire that data. I have contacts with a lot of what we call tags. A tag just simply represents some behavior the contact undertook. They watched a video, they downloaded a form, they landed on a page. The problem is, what behaviors did the people that purchased do compared to the people that have behaviors that didn't do? So I've actually completed the course, just hot off the press. I actually personally worked through some data we had, got great hands-on help by the wonderful staff here, and got some data. So I really have true data with some values from which I understand, parameters to tweak some models, and already some interesting insights. Now I have a lot more questions, I have a lot more fundamental knowledge as to the areas within machine learning to go back, really think about critical questions as to how we're operating our business, how we're marketing, how we're actually interfacing, engaging with customers. But I'm quite excited to apply this knowledge and really see how it can move the needle. I would honestly highly recommend this to anyone who is serious about collecting data and utilizing that data most effectively to really reduce your costs and get the sales you need.